Hello friends, welcome back to the second part of the optimizer video. In the first part, we have explained you that why we have built the optimizer feature and what is the nomenclature that we have used for the same. It is simple and or. Okay. So if you have not watched it yet, please do watch it before continuing with this video. Okay. So in this video, I'll explain you that how we have developed this optimizer feature on StockMock and what is the simple UI that we have built for the same. Okay, and I'll carry on with the last example that I've demonstrated to you, which was like 9:30, 11:30, and 1:30 short straddle with 20%, 25%, and 30%. Okay, so in the last video, I've given you all guys a homework. I hope you guys have found the formula for it. If not, I'm going to tell you right now. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you, and I hope you guys can see that right now. Okay, nice. So let's see. So this was a simple use case that I told you guys about. Okay, so first of all, you have to go to the basket. To use this optimizer feature, you have to be in the basket. So it's not available elsewhere. So it's a basket feature. Why basket feature? Because as I told you earlier, optimizer is nothing but when you give optimizer some choices, it will run all the possible combinations and it will then tell you the best results out of it. So to give optimizer the choices, multiple strategies, you have to be in the basket. What is basket? Basket is nothing but the pool of strategies that you can test together. Okay, it's the most popular go-to feature for our users. Basket one. Okay, so the same example that I've demonstrated to you in the previous video, which is 9:30 20% SL, it's short straddle, 11:30 20%, 13:30 20%. Okay, so let's try to run it before I show you the other parts of it. So let's say I run 9:30, 11:30, and 13:30 20% SL. So this was obviously this is not something exactly that guy told me because he was having much better strategy than this. This is just for demonstrating to you that what are we talking about. Okay, so as you can see, he was running such kind of strategies with 20% SL, and he was getting some zero point 0.6 close to zero point 0.6 expectancy and 1600 day profit, and 70% is the win rate. Okay, 27,000 is a drawdown for 3 lots because we are doing one at 9:30, 11:30, 13:30. It's not bad at all. It's a decent one. But when optimizer came into the picture, we told that give user the choices of what you want to try and then let optimizer do the job for you. Okay, so that was the thing. Just give me a second, please. So let optimizer do the job for you. Okay, so what we say now is that you add 25% SL combination as well. So we added 9:30 25% SL, 11:30 25% SL, and 1:30 25% SL. And then we added 30% as well. So 9:30 30%, 11:30 30, and 13:30. So let's run all these things. So to use optimizer, first of all, you have to run all the possible combinations that you want to find the best out of in a basket. So before running this thing, optimizer will not pop up. But as soon as you run this thing, optimizer will be seen after running all the strategies right here. Okay. So the very first thing, the disclaimer is optimizer right now works on the intraday strategies. It's not running on positional. So if you want to try something for positional, it's not ready for that yet. It's for intraday strategies. Okay. So let me show you this run optimizer. So I'll click on it. You will see some settings like this. Okay. As you can see, it is asking that on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you have not added any condition as of now. No condition added, no condition. So now we will add the condition. I hope you guys remember that what was the condition in the first video that we have prepared. Okay. Now we want to run the first strategy at 9:30. Okay. Now that strategy can be from 9:30 20% SL, 9:30 25%, or 9:30 30% SL. So it means my first strategy that I want to do can be either S1 or S4 or S7. Correct? So as you can see this view out here, you have to just click on the buttons and conditions will be added right on the top. So if you click on S1, S4, S7. It's as simple as that. Like our first condition is being made in the bracket that I want to do the first strategy, which can be either from S1, S4 or S7. And now you have to and here, there's a button and in here. If you click on it, and I want to do my second strategy, I want to do my strategy at 20%, 25% or 30%. It means I want to do S2, S5 or S8. So my second strategy will be from S2, from S1, S2 or S5 or S8. Similarly, my third strategy that I want to do is at 130. It can be from S3, S6, S9. So if you can just read, I'll just collapse it, clicking on it. So if you just read these things, S1 or S4 or S7, S2 or S5 or S8, S3, S6 or S9. This means that I want to run three strategies, and the first one should be from these three things. Second should be from S2, S5, S8, and third should be from S3, S6, and S9. Okay. So if you guys have given this answer, this clap for you. And this is what it's as simple as that we have given to the told optimizer to do. What optimizer will do is optimizer will scan all the combinations and it will throw you the best 50 results out of it. Okay. Now we have given this condition on Monday. Obviously we have to do it on Tuesday as well. So rather than creating same strategy, if you want to do different, you can obviously click on it, add a different strategy. But if the same condition you want to make, you can use this copy from feature. Okay. So if you just copy from Monday, the same condition will be replicated on Tuesday, Wednesday, again and again. So if you click on anywhere here, you will see that all the strategies are now created. On Monday, I want to do the same condition, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Fridays. Okay. Now what we are telling is that run all the possible combinations. As I told you in the last video, it has near to 1.5 crores combination. I'll run it in front of you right now. And what will happen is that it will scan all the combinations and will try to give us back the best 50 results. But what is best for me may not be best for you. Okay. So to tell this thing that what is the best thing, you have to tell that you have to sort it based upon what? Like you want to find the best results out based upon expectancy, as you can see here, or you want to get the best results out of MGD, or is it out of win percentage or what? So this is what you have to tell that, okay, now I'm telling it, run this combinations and get me the best 50 results based upon expectancy, like the best expectancy first, second best later, and this thing. So if you click on the run optimizer button, just if you click on it, it will scan 1.5 crores combinations. And the best part is we believe that it will give you the results in less than 10 seconds, okay, by running all the combinations. So this is what you see in the table. This is the 50 results, as you can see in the decreasing order of expectancy. Okay, as you know earlier that when that guy was doing only S1, S2, S3, the 20% SL, the expectancy was 0.58 and win percentage was also 68, something like that. Now we can see clearly that the best expectancy it has given is 0.73. The average day profit is close to 1800, more than that. So both results are more than that. 69% was the win rate. Similarly, you can see the second best thing, third best thing, and so on. So like you can see, this is expectancy is 0.73, 18,000 is the drawdown. Now you want to know the settings of this. Like what is the setting, that how can I find out that this 0.73 was created? So that's where you have to click on the apply button. So when you click on the apply button, in this settings will be shown right here. Okay. So this setting will be shown to you that if you click on the Mondays, these are three strategies you do on Monday. Like you do 20% on 9:30, 11:30 20%, and then 13:30 30% on Monday. On Tuesdays you do 25%, 30%, and 30%. On Wednesdays you do these things. So this is where you will create the strategy, which is a 0.73 expectancy, 1800 something is the day profit, 18,000 is a drawdown for 3 lots. It's not bad at all. Okay, you scroll down, you see monthly profits. You can see so many things. Okay. Similarly, if I go to optimizer again, and I tell it that no, don't find it based upon expectancy, because now I know the best expectancy is close to 0.7. I am now wondering, can I find the best drawdown as well? Like what is the best drawdown? because the previous one has a drawdown of 18,000. I want to see if I can also get close to the best drawdown. As you can see, this it has a drawdown of 17,000 something. So it's fairly okay. It's fairly okay. Like, my suggestion to you guys is never try to find the best of expectancy and best of drawdowns. Try to find the sweet spot. The sweet spot is nothing but the best. It's close. The result that you can find is close to the best expectancy and close to the best drawdown. Okay. So as you can see, the max drawdown, the best drawdown is 17,300 rupees. Okay. It has the expectancy of 0.7. You can use this as well. So whatever suits you, which you find here, this combination looks better, you can try that. Click on the apply button. You will see that particular combination, how it was made. These 3 Mondays were selected. Like it says, you do 20% sell on Monday. You do something else on Tuesday. You do something else on Wednesday. Something else on Thursday. Something else on Friday. This is how you find out. You create strategies based upon your combinations that you tell to optimizer. Okay. Now come the second part. Okay, I hope this is very clear to you by now. Okay. The second part is that when we demonstrated this to the users and beta users were running it, there was some suggestions from their end, and they told us that right now what's happening is that you are doing different strategies on different days. Obviously, optimizer found out that this is the best way to do it, but what if I want to run same strategies, whatever it is, on all the days? So for example, if optimizer has chosen for me, let's say this combination 20%, 20% and 20% on Monday, what if I want to repeat the same strategies on all the days? I want to not differentiate that Tuesday I'm doing something else, Monday, even though optimizer is saying it's the best, but what if I want to decide once and for all and say that this is I'm going to do throughout my week? So can it be possible? So that's the very good suggestion actually that came in, that we implemented. So if you click on this, see this button, run the same strategies on all days, it means optimizer will pick one combination at any given day. It will be the best one, and then it will scan through all the days for the same thing. So if you click on this run optimizer, this run same strategy, you will see the options for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday gone, and you just have to choose the strategy what you want to make, and you have to tell it how many days you want to use it. Like I want to scan it from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What will happen is, let's try to run it. If I just optimize, click on the run optimizer, it will give me the results. And now if I click on it, just to demonstrate to you, okay, so if I just click on it, you see now optimizer has chosen for me that 9:30 20%, 1:30 20% and 11:30 30% is best. Now it will scan all of the days for the same thing, because some people prefer not to change their strategies on different days. They want to stick with one particular thing. So for those people, this feature will be very handy, because optimizer is still calculating all the combinations if they are done same on all the days, and from them it's trying to find out the best out of it. Okay, so this is one of the other things that you can easily see, right? Run same strategies on all the days. So for example, now you don't want to run it on Friday. Let's say you want to scan the strategies from Monday to Thursday only. Okay, you're not happy with Friday. Let's say I don't want to do the Fridays. It will scan again. It will show you the results. You click on the apply button. As soon as you click on apply button, it will show you the combination. Like you see that right now is new for me as well. If I remove Fridays, it is clearly saying that Monday to Thursdays do all the strategies for 20%. It's very clear, correct? So I believe you can also get some ideas by looking at the results that, oh, this is working at this way. These days are not working well. So there can be many more insights that you guys can get from this run optimizer. Okay. So this run optimizer button again shows up. Let's say I want to remove it. Okay. So now coming the next part of this. What is this don't repeat strategy on any day? Okay. I'll clearly show it to you. First of all, I'll reset all the conditions. I'll reset it. Okay, no more conditions. Now, when we made this thing and all stuffs, and there were people joining us for the beta testing, One of them, a big clear, I will not name him, he said that I want to find, just listen to it very carefully, I want to find the best three strategies. I want to find the best three strategies from the given choices, like S1 to S9. Like he said, you told me now that optimizer scans through the choices and we have to just apply conditions to it. So can we find the best three strategies if we run all the nine, if we give input that from these nine, can you find the best three strategies for us? I said, let's try it out. Okay. So I want to run three strategies. It is very clear. We'll go one by one. So the first strategy can be like earlier we were doing now. First strategy should be from S1 or S6, S2 or S5, something like that. But here we have to find the best three strategies. Now the first strategy we are not sure is it from S1, S2, S3. So what we'll do is we'll tell it the first strategy can be from S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, S9. So it means what I'm telling the optimizer is I want to do the first strategy. It can be from anything from S1 to S9. And I want to do the second strategy. Now think about it yourself. It can also be from S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8. And the third strategy that I want to do can be from S1 to S9. It's very clear that the three strategies I want to do can be from S1 to S9, second can be from S1 to S9, third can be from S1 to S9. Okay, I'll repeat it on other days. Okay, now what I am saying is I'll click on the run optimizer button. It will scan some billion combinations, as you can see. If you want to count it, you do count it. Okay, and it will give me the best results out of it. Okay, I want to see what's best for me. Like, let me try to find it with you. Okay, so I'm saying that 0.77 is the expectancy, 18,000 is a drawdown. Let me scan it. Can I have a better MDD, better MDD, better MDD, better MDD, better MDD, better MDD? No better MDD than this. So I'll then first of all see what is the max MDD, best MDD that can be available for me. So it will scan probably taking less than 10 seconds. So this is 16,700 is the max drawdown I have. So this looks pretty good to me. The 16,700 for 3 lots is drawdown. 1,700 is this. If I click on the apply button, it will tell me the best 3 strategies to run individually on different days. So it's telling me do this on Monday, do these 3 on Tuesday, do these 3 on Wednesday, do these 3 on Thursday, and do these 3 on Fridays. Okay, it will tell all the stats right there. So I hope you have got the point of the best thing. This is the best 3. So when we got to know about this stuff, like, wow, this is a beautiful idea of finding best 1, best 2, best 3, best 4, and best 5. So we gave it as a template to everything. So if you go to the select setting button, you will see best 1 to best 5 is by default there. So if you want to find best 1, it means it will tell it should be from either S1 or S2 or S3. If you go best 2, condition will be made by default. The first strategy should be from S1 to S9 and second should be from S1 to S9. Best 3, similarly, I hope you got the idea. You can maximum do up till 5 strategies. So you can find the best 5 strategies. If I run it, I'm sure it is having lots of combinations. It will scan all the combinations. It will give you the results. Probably it will take a little bit more time, 10-15 seconds. It'll give you the best results. Okay. So now it's telling me that for 5 lots, I'm having a 0.7 expectancy. 23,000 is a drawdown. 11 days is a recovery period for the drawdown. And 3,000 is a profit. If you click on it, apply button, you will see the setting. These are the 5 you should do. Okay. Monday, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 you should do on this thing. Okay. But when we were making this feature or we were developing this thing, we immediately realized that there can be the optimizer. See, optimizer knows to find the combinations. Okay. So what optimizer can also do is optimizer can repeat the strategies on some days. So for example, just consider this thing. Let's do best 2 to make you understand better. So if we are doing best 2, it is saying S1 to S9 and S1 to S9. So it will try to find all the combinations. So first it will pick S1 from the first set and then it will pick S1 from the another set as well. So it means there are chances that on same day, it can pick the same strategy as well. Like I want to find the best 2 strategy, but optimizer is telling me that S1 doing 2 times is also better, but I don't want to do it. That's where this we have checked this checkbox. Don't repeat any strategy on any day. It means I want, if on Monday I have found S1, the second strategy should not be S1. It should be S2 or something like that. So you just click on this button. But the question is, what if I don't click on this button and I now find the best 3 strategies? So now what I'm telling optimizer is, even if you want to overlap the strategy, even if you want to tell me that I want to do 3 strategies in a day, and from which the 2 strategies can be S1 and another can be S2, just tell me right away. Okay. So this concept of overlap also can be there. So I've clicked on this. Let's try to see if we get such results. So let's say 0.77 expectancy. Now, until I click on the apply button, I don't know the setting of it. So I have to click on the apply button to know the settings. This setting is fine. Let's click on run optimizer. I'm just trying to see if possible. Yes, here. So now you can see this thing. This is the new thing that was not there earlier, but it's now there. So now what optimizer told us is that you want to do 3 strategies now. So the first strategy is on Monday is this. You do different strategies on Monday, but on Tuesday you do this thing. What optimizer told is you do S1 one time, but it told that 1:30 you do the Tuesday one 2 times. So as you can see this new thing coming up, it's called multiplier. So you do this thing these many times. Since optimizer knows to combine the results, so this is what optimizer told us, that you do this thing multiple times. That's why I've told my beta users as well, if you don't want to repeat the strategy on any day, just always keep it checked. If you don't keep it checked, optimizer will run all more combinations and it will tell you that this is also possible. This is also possible. On sometimes it can also tell you that you want to find the best 3, do this strategy Wednesday 3 times that day. Okay. By the way, if you want to remove this multiplier, there's another option, remove day multiplier. So if you click on it, it will be removed. Okay. So it's up to you now, guys, to find out how you can do this optimizer stuff. Just play around with it. And we have actually worked pretty hard on this stuff. And I hope you guys like it. If you do, if you can appreciate us by obviously liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel, but you can also comment saying that it looks good, this feature looks good. Okay. We'll be very happy because we've spent some months figuring out that what is the best possible UI that we can give to you so that it looks very intuitive to you. Okay. Now this and or stuff is when we gave it to our beta users, they really did so many kinds of testing with it. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you some examples of how our beta users have done it. I've already showed you 2 examples, which is like finding best one and then 9, 30, 20, 25% and 30%. I'll show some more examples as well in the next video. Okay. So I hope you guys have liked it, and thank you so much. Happy backtesting. Bye bye.